Hello, my dear students. Have you ever wondered how a small dog-sized animal evolved into today's first running horse? Welcome back to Biology at Priojit. Today we'll explore one of the best documented examples of evolution, the evolution of horse from Eocene epoch to modern Equus. Origin of horses. Evolution of horses started about 60 million years ago, that is in Eocene epoch. Place of origin, it was North America, the Great Plains of North America, but the latter migrated to Europe and Asia, became extinct in North America during Pleistocene, but they survived in other continents like Asia and Europe. Why horse evolution is so important? It is one of the most complete fossil records. It shows clear example of descent with modification and gradual evolution over time. Features of modern horse are Equus. Modern horses show perfect adaptation for speed, that is cursorial adaptation, body adaptation, streamlined body to modified to reduces air resistance. They had long neck and head, limbs only one toe, third digit is present which was converted to hoof. Other digits were reduced like splint bones. Long limbs were modified for fast running. Cannon bone were present. Skull and brain, they had large brain case, elongated face, complete eye orbit. Teeth was high crown for grazing grass. Premolars become molar-like. Their canines reduced, especially in females. Major evolutionary trends of horses, which is very important for examination purpose. They increased in body size, limbs become longer, toes reduced in such way that 5 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 1, from plantigrade to unguligrade walking, development of hoof, teeth become complex and high crowned, faster movement adaptation. Evolutionary stages are timeline. Eocene, there's the dawn of horses, small forest dwelling horses. Eohippus, that is the first horse, size a small dog like, forelimb 4 toes, hind limb 3 toes, and they had simple teeth. Orohippus, this is the second form. They had reduced outer toes, teeth becoming molar-like. Third form was the Epihippus, that is further tooth development. In Oligocene period, there was the development of three-toed horse. The first one is the Mesohippus, 3 toes on all limbs, larger size, longer legs, and then Myohippus. It was similar but bigger in size. Miocene, that is a diversification stage. Many branches evolved during this stage. First one is the Parahippus, that is teeth start cement deposition. Merychippus, functionally one-toed, advanced teeth, beginning of grazing habit. Protohippus, fully developed teeth, sidelines. Hyohippus, that is browsing horses, which is now extinct. Then Hipparion, which is three-toed but advanced comparison to Hyohippus, but now it is extinct. During Pliocene, that is true horse stage, Pliohippus, the first true one-toed horse, and it had modern-like teeth. Then Plesiohippus, direct ancestor of modern horse. Pleistocene to present, Equus or modern horse, one toe or hoof. The high speed, it includes horses, zebras, and asses. Concept of allometry or easy explanation, change in body proportions during evolution. Positive allometry, that is organs grows faster. Example, long face in modern horse. Negative allometry, organ becomes smaller. Example, reduction of side toes. Migration and extinction, it was horse was firstly originated in North America, then they spread into Europe, Asia, South America, extinct in North America during Pleistocene period. They reintroduced later by humans. Important concepts: evolution mostly gradual, not sudden. Some side branches went extinct, not a straight line branching evolution. Sometimes shows orthogenesis, which is directional evolution. So we can conclude that horse evolution is one of the clearest proofs of evolution, from a small multi-toed animal to a large first single hoofed runner. It beautifully demonstrates adaptation, natural selection, gradual change over time. If you found this class helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next class. Thank you.